12:03 in the morning. We're just about to leave. Just saying bye to the dogs. Come here, pretty girl.
Sweetheart. Alright, so we're gonna run back. Bye-bye, hotel. We'll see you in a minute. We'll talk to you guys later. We're about to park. We're going to Disneyland.
Oh my god! Okay. So, yeah, we're here.
We're at Disneyland!
Yeah.
Guys, we haven't been here since June.
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's gonna be by our tickets when we did, guys. It's sold out. Only like for like the rest of the season.
Yeah, that's what.
Look at.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool!
Look at Oogie Boogie over there.
She came into our work yesterday. She actually used to work here, and she said she just quit. And she was saying that she tried to buy passes for the Halloween party, but they were all sold out for the rest of the season.
Yeah.
So lucky we bought ours when we did. But guys, look! Can't wait to see the giant pumpkin.
Look at the big old pumpkin.
I'm gonna post it on your snap.
Come on. So apparently we're gonna go hit Big Thunder now.
Sorry.
We're going to hit actually Indiana instead because we realized it all the way. It's only 20 minutes, hopefully.
Oh, for ears, the Halloween decorations are so cool, but I think they could have done so much more with Main Street.
This is like this shortest I've seen this line before, past open. Like honestly, because usually when we come here, it's already like a 30-minute wait by the time we get.
You know what? I'll delete everything.
Out of the jungle. It's about 10:40 now, which is actually when our fast pass is for Hyper, whatever the fuck it's called now. Ghost Galaxy, I think it is.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ride that real quick. Well, hopefully real quick. Get a fast pass in 3 minutes for probably Guardians.
Yep.
Alright guys, I have Jack, Woody, Boo, and I don't know who else. Tink. First look at Ghost Galaxy. I've never done it before, I don't think at least. Maybe I have, but
I for sure have.
so far it's so good. We've only within like 30 minutes we've already hit 2 rides. Just saying, that's like a record for us compared to our last trip. Thanks.
I forgot.
There you go. The Galaxy of Ghosts. I wonder if it's any different inside here. Is it normally green? I think it's usually blue, isn't it? Wow. This looks weird. This is different. The sun isn't in the way, but we're gonna head over towards Big Thunder and probably Haunted Mansion and maybe Pirates. We'll see how it goes. But probably about like at about 12:30ish, probably over to DCA, go hit a ride or two, get lunch, you know, stuff like that. Almost there.
Hey guys, Scarce here. So we are headed over to DCA! We don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we might hit a few rides. We might just decide to have lunch, but pretty soon here, it's time to ride Guardians.
Yeah. Gosh, it's so purple.
Alright, supposedly DCA has better decorations according to Freshman.
Well, so far, I think it looks better with the bats. So I guess see the Headless Horseman.
They don't have Powerade?
Alright, so my foods. Oh yeah. Some nice copyrighted music. Show us my RC for this ride. Well, since it's been Guardians.
Did you ever notice that the dog's head moved?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is the first ride I choose on a fast pass from Romania, so Let's see how this is. Oh, Toy Story was broken. So I guess you have like a fast pass or whatever with that ride. What I understand, right?
Yeah, that's from what I understand.
So anyways, we're gonna go hit Screamin'.
Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1.
So there's the sign. Oh,
Give to the last cast member at the end of the
thank you.
Yay!
Red card members. Like the little tombstones.
Yeah. What?
In my shed late one night when she creeped up and she turned on her light. With 6 big old tires and glowing bright eyes, the roar of that engine took me by surprise. She did the monster truck smile.
They're all about the same, just you know.
I'm not
With me, the scare of my friends. So we're covered. We all knew it.
Okay, so the party is obviously about to start, and everyone's here, I guess. So I guess you're allowed to park up, I think is what we're understanding. Looking nuts looking. So we're just leaving the hotel a little bit later than we thought. It's 4:23 right now. We want to be there at 4:30. We can probably get to the park about 4:35-ish. These lines a little bit big still, but DCA is basically calmed down, it looks like. But we're going back. I'm gonna go get in line for Guardians. Alexis gonna go get her whatever the hell she's getting.
I'm getting a smoothie from Ghirardelli.
Alright, well we're getting up to the thing. Just gotta figure out where this line starts.
Oh, it's Mary Poppins!
I know. It's so inconsiderate. Welcome, distinguished guests.
So we just got done riding it, and holy sh**,
Oh my gosh.
it was like nothing that we've had before. This ride. There we go.
Absolutely no reason to be alarmed. We are in full control. And the doors open towards you.
Thank you, idiot. Ha-ha! Gotcha.
Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm parents makes a really great distraction.
Alrighty guys, so it is almost 6:30. There are 0 fast passes left. So we are just gonna go hit Midway Mania since earlier when we actually had the fast pass the ride was closed. So yeah. And then we're gonna check the weight on California Screamin', see if it's decent. We might ride that, and then we might call the night after that. Alright, so we are in line at Midway Mania. We are actually in the Fast Pass line, believe it or not. How you doing?
Hungry.
We are gonna ride a couple more rides, and then we're gonna go pick up some pizza and head back to the hotel and watch a show or a movie or something, eat pizza, and go to bed.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Goodbye.
We're not wasting any time.
Welcome to our practice game.
Just hold it tight.
Watch those fly.
Oh, I got the best of the vehicle.
Inside.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Scurry.
Ready? No more front. Fuck this shit. Got so much purple and greens and oranges. You can kind of see the sign. It looks pretty cool on it though.
There's trouble close at hand. You better pay attention now.
Kevin is doing nothing but teasing me right now, and I'm so mad. So we are on our way to Little Caesars.
Got little sleezers, right? There's a fucking olive. There's one. I don't know why. I don't really sell olive pieces, but I guess they do. Or Mountain Dew. Or guns. Our neighbor's smoking some weed. Got a nice place, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're gonna eat some foods, watch some videos, go sleep, you know what I'm saying? Deuces, bitches.